I received this home Pilates ring and ball set as a gift, and I wanted to share what comes in the kit and how it works for a simple at-home workout routine. This is a full starter kit designed for beginners that includes a 13-inch Pilates magic circle, a small exercise ball, and 5 different resistance bands. It's meant for full body toning and quick daily workouts, even if you only have about 15 minutes. This Pilates ring itself feels sturdy but flexible. It has padded grips on both inside and outside, which makes it comfortable to use whether you're working your inner thighs, arms, or core. The resistance feels supportive without being overly stiff, so it's approachable if you're just starting out. The small exercise ball is lightweight and easy to inflate. It's great for adding a little extra challenge to core exercises or for squeezing movements that engage your legs and glutes. It's also small enough to store easily when you're not using it. The set also includes 5 resistance bands with varying resistance levels. That's really helpful because you can adjust the intensity depending on your fitness level or the specific exercise you're doing. The bands feel durable and stretch smoothly without snapping or feeling thin. I like that this kit makes it easy to do a full body workout at home without bulky equipment. You can target arms, legs, glutes, and core muscles using just these simple pieces. It's especially convenient if you don't have a lot of space. The 15-minute routine idea is realistic too. You don't need an hour-long workout to feel like you've done something productive. Having compact equipment like this makes it easier to stay consistent. Overall, this was a really thoughtful gift. It's beginner-friendly, lightweight, easy to store, and gives you multiple tools in one set so you can switch up your workouts and keep things interesting.